Hello and welcome to the StatsFetch web client tutorial. Very simply, you need to log in on the web to go ahead and get an API key so you can use the actual client on your local machine. So when you log in here, it's just a simple email and then a return token. And you'll end up on this page and it'll ask you to give a username. You'll set that one time, and then this section here for the API key will be empty and say that you need to generate an API key to begin. So you hit generate and you'll see pretty much the same thing here. You can copy the API key here for the client. When you go to the download section, you get your version of Windows or Mac OS. Windows will install into your how your app's roaming, and then you'll get the icon on your desktop and all that basic Windows options. And it creates a local SQL database. Get that, and then when you go to My Programs, so these are the list of programs that we have already templates for. First partners, two up, blah blah blah, all the way through. You could sort this by software, or you could search for the actual program name. This box here, this actually shows you the ones that are installed already on your local client. That's an option that you have on the client to actually sync these from the web to your local machine. All your data, all your authentication tokens, all your user passwords are only stored on your local machine. They'll never be on the web server here, but this just has an ability to select programs and transfer them back and forth. We have 398 total programs right now. I'm just adding pretty much tons of them per day, so hopefully we'll have all of them before you end up needing them. But the good thing is, even if they're not here, you can still load them on your local client, and we'll show you that later on the client settings. So let's go, if you wanted Africa, you can do, select a bunch of these here. And when this shows selected, that'll actually be something that you'll be able to use on the client side, and we'll show you that later on. You don't have to use this. This just makes it easier, I think, to use the web interface to select different programs that you're going to want to promote or use or track. Then the other basic thing is you're going to have your dashboard, and you'll see that I have stats here because I actually enable this from my local machine client to let my local account on, not my local, but my web account on this web server to get the actual stats data. It's just the totals. It is not the actual, there's no authentication, no passwords being used. And this is a total option if you want to have it so you can see on your phone or computer anytime you want without having access to your local machine. We also have stats, breaks it down even further. You can sort deposits, revenue, all the basic things, click signups. So we're tracking. I'm not tracking like every single possible thing. It's more of a lightweight, quick stats fetch program. So you can see where you are now and where you were last month. So you can go back. Well, they don't have the stats for last month because it's just started this month on the web client. But yeah, the web interface is very simple. Pretty much your API key and a couple tools to help you utilize the client easier when you get on your desktop.